Hi, my name is Max, and I have 44 days until my exam. Let's get into this next problem. A deposit of $100 is made into a fund at time t is equal to 0. A fund pays interest of a nominal annual rate of discount, D, compounded quarterly for the first 2 years. Alright, so let's look at the formula for the, words are hard today, the discount formula thingy. I don't know what to call it. So we are going to have 1 plus d upper m over m raised to the negative m because it's discount. And then, alright, so this next part of the problem. Beginning at time equals t equals 2, interest is credited for a force of interest of 1 over t plus 1. At time equals t equals 5, cumulative value of the fund is 260. Alright, so for the force of interest delta, we have e raised to the t1, upper bound is t2 of delta t dt, right? So this would be the cumulative value of this function. Alright, and I think that's pretty much all we need. So let's just set them equal to the amount that they give. So 260 at the end equals the discount. So we have $100 times 1 plus d upper 4 because it's quarterly. You can write d whatever you want. You can just put d normally, but I learned how to do d upper 4 over 4 times negative 4 times 2 because what did it say in the problem? For the first 2 years, that's why we do times 2. Then we're going to multiply that by the force of interest. So we have e raised to the power, the integral of 2 to 5 of 1 over t plus 1 dt. And then that is a whole separate thing in itself. So let's do this over here. So the integral of 1 over t plus 1 is just the natural log of t plus 1, the bounds from 2 to 5. And if we do this out normally, we have the natural log of t plus, sorry, that's supposed to be a 5 because we're doing the bounds now. We have 5 plus 1 minus natural log of 2 plus 1. With the rules of the logs, we can rewrite this as the natural log of 6 over 3, because 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is a 6. Sorry for my bad handwriting, it's kind of hard to write over here. This is a 6. And more rules if the natural log is raised from the power of e. So this is just this, so we should have an e right here. This, it's just what's inside the natural log. I don't really know how to describe that. I just learned that in calculus a long time ago. So this whole thing right here is just 2. And yeah, we have one unknown, which is d upper 4, and let's do some calculations on the calculator. So since this is multiplied by 2, this 2 makes that into 200. So I'm going to divide this whole thing by 200, divide this by 200. So we have 260 divided by 100 equals 1 over d, 1 plus d upper 4, which we're looking for, over 4 raised to the negative 8 power. Alright, and then we have to 8th root that. 1.3, excuse my bad handwriting, 3, and to get rid of that negative 8th root, I believe, I don't know why I'm double guessing myself right now, I'm pretty sure you still can do one of these guys to where it's a 1.3 raised to the negative 1 over 8 equals 1 plus d upper 4. I need to write better, I'm sorry. D upper 4 all over 4 Let me do this in my calculator real quick to make sure I'm doing this correctly, because I didn't do this far in my notes. Minus 1 times by 4. I did do it right. Okay, cool. Alright, so then we subtract the -1 here, -1 here, and then divide it by 4 on each side. Then the d upper 4 should equal out to be around 12.9905%. And that is our answer. Awesome. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.